and welcome to What's New with Cisco U, a monthly series where we tell you the learning and stuff you should know. This month, the focus is on observability, featuring new networking content and the importance of building skills in network observability. We have a ton of amazing new content available on Cisco U this month, as well as some new features available on Cisco U in the platform. Cisco U product manager Huma Ahmed is going to outline the new product features available on Cisco U.
Hi there, this is Huma Ahmed, a Cisco U product manager. You asked and we delivered 3 new product experiences in Cisco U that we believe you will love. Interactive playlist, learning path completion certificates, and the opportunity to purchase individual practice exams and learning paths in Cisco U. So let's dive in. The Learning Path Interactive Playlist lets you easily navigate all the content types embedded inside a learning path for targeted and efficient learning discovery. You can focus precisely on the skills that you need by quickly finding the content that meets those needs. To get to an interactive playlist, just start any learning path. I have opened the CCNA learning path, and then select the content type that you would like: labs, assessments, and courses. Then choose a title and it will take you straight there. All right, next up is the Learning Path Completion Certificate. Once you have finished the entire learning path, you can download an HTML completion certificate from the Learning Path results report. Go to the results report and you can see the download completion certificate here. Or you can also head to the dashboard and look for that under My Learning History and download it from there. You can print it out, share it on social media, add it to your portfolio, or send it to your boss to showcase your accomplishments. Last but not the least, you can now purchase individual practice exams and learning paths through Cisco U. Go to Explore and choose the Learning Path or Practice Exam tabs to find the content to buy. Select a title, click on Subscribe Now, and choose between the different subscription. In this case, I will be choosing the individual practice exam and adding it to my cart. Once you have successfully purchased a title, you can go to my dashboard and under my subscription, you can find that title available. Remember, you can access it for 180 days. That's all for now. Try out these features and let us know what you think in the comments. We would love to hear from you.
We have some new content available on Cisco U, whether you are a free subscriber, Essentials, or All Access. Ahmed, tell us a little more about what that new content is and how it can help you upscale in your job role.
Thanks, Emma. We've got some exciting new updates available on Cisco U this month for All Access subscribers. We've got 3 new learning paths available fresh out of the oven. The very first one, the latest and greatest, the trending ENA, the Designing and Implementing Enterprise Network Assurance full track. What about it? This learning path actually covers strategies and tools needed for continuous network monitoring, helping to ensure network policies are correctly enforced and network behavior meets the intended design. Take all 4 tracks to prepare for your ENA version 1 exam, code 300445. The second learning path has to do with data center. That's the Implementing and Operating Cisco Data Center Core Technologies, DC Core version 1.2. We've also got the third one, Designing and Implementing Cisco Service Provider Cloud Network Infrastructure, SPCNI version 1.0. For Cisco U free subscribers, we have not forgotten about you. We have a list of new tutorials available. So ENA, examine Cisco Meraki Insights. Also, ENA, again, Cisco Catalyst Center Assurance. Deploy a Cisco Thousand Eyes Enterprise Agent in AWS. Basic operations for Rapid PVST Plus Spanning Tree Protocol and Learning Device Management Access. Check out the link in the description below for the full list of all the updates available on Cisco U this month. And last but not least, Cisco just announced a new update for the Cisco CCNA exam. Yes, you heard me right, CCNA. Beginning of August 20th, 2024, the 200-301 CCNA exam topic will include generative AI, cloud network management, and machine learning. So what is Cisco U going to do to help us? Well, there are some key resources available on Cisco U to help you study for this exam, including Cisco CCNA practice exam and implementing and administrating Cisco Solutions Learning Path. Remember, creating a Cisco U account is easy. All you need to do to get started is your Cisco ID. Back to you, Emma.
The wait is over. Cisco U Spotlight is now officially available on demand on Cisco U for free. Access expert-led sessions, hands-on workshops with accompanying tutorials, and classroom lectures. The link to the content is in the description of this video. We have also launched a new program called the Network Assurance Prep Program. Build your Network Assurance Specialist certification self-study plan direct with help from Cisco Learning and Certifications for free. Sign up today for Network Assurance Prep and you will receive access to exclusive and comprehensive resources, including a comprehensive overview of our new self-study prep guide, webinars, network assurance specialist, exam topic review session, and more. Get exam ready. The program kicks off on May 20th. If you enjoyed this video and are enjoying content from our Cisco expert, make sure you are notified every time we upload a new video. I hope you are having a good day wherever you are around the world, and happy learning.